a back-to-back win for Southwestern Career Academy, Team 27!
My name is Mareli Cruz. I'm a senior at the Southwestern Career Academy.
My name is Ashley Bernardo, and I'm a student at the Southwestern Career Academy in junior year. We're the winners of 2025 ProStart Burger Battle. For me, I just expected to win and that'd be over with, maybe get a little trophy, get some congratulations, but there's so much more after getting interviewed to like being on the Southwestern page, everything like that, and about like Beef Council just like sponsoring us and everything is just really nice feeling.
Something that you learn working with beef in this experience, I would say, is that you really need to be on top of your game. The whole point of the competition is to be under time management. You have to be within a certain time crunch, and what I found easiest was to start with the beef, then to leave that towards the end, because then you will not have enough time to cook the beef or cook it to your desired temperature. Our burger is called the Pineapple Express. The whole point of the competition is to come up with a unique burger. Like, as we practiced, we found our flavor profiles. We decided to go with sweet and spicy, and yeah, our burger has a lot of different components to it. What you should expect when biting into the Pineapple Express, I would say, is the juiciness of the pineapple clashing with the spiciness of the burger itself. Our burger is layered as it starts with our brioche bun at the bottom. Then we lay out our pineapple ring. Then on top of the pineapple ring, we have our 6-pepper burger. And then on top of that burger, we have our pineapple salsa. We have our bacon and our honey Dijon chips, and then another layer of the pineapple aioli, and then our top one.
For the future kids that want to enter Burger Battle in the future, I would say go for it and take a chance and take challenge.